What's up, my fellow gig workers? It's been a while, a long time. So today, if you want to come along for the ride, this is just a ride along with Uber Eats and Doordash. I have no shift with Skip the Dishes. And you guys, if you like to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Give a like, hit the subscribe button down below, and click that bell. So whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So let's go. It's just a ride along, just have fun and see what's out there for the evening. Pizza Hut, $6.50, 3.4 kilometers. Hey, DoorDash for Nicole. Base pay $4, customer tip $2.50. $8 for 6.7 kilometers. Wow, it's 5:11 p.m. so it's not that busy as yet. I'll just accept that.
Doordash 953.
953, yeah. Okay, thank you. There you go. Have a good one. Yep. Yeah, thanks. Get the guy one leg far distance. Low base pay. Confirm. $4 base pay. Customer tip $6. Thank you. 2.8 kilometers. $7.50. I'll take that for sure. Accept.
Please have a seat with the Doordash. We're just working on it as fast as we can. Is this for James?
No, Lisa.
Lisa? Onion and tomato. Sorry, I heard mayo in there somewhere. No problem.
Lisa, yeah. Okay, thank you. This customer said leave at my door, come to the back of the carport at the fence. Okay, let's go there. I'll hand it to you here.
Hey?
You want me to hand it to you? For Lisa.
Oh, for you.
Because you were said to go to the back, but
Oh, it said to go back. Sorry, I forgot to switch that. Yeah, we were in the back. And then
yeah, before.
they're
Oh,
done in
okay.
the pool, so we came in.
Oh, okay. You are the pool. You have a pool?
Yeah, this is my
Oh,
parents' house, and it's hot out,
okay,
and I
cool.
don't have AC at my house.
Oh, it's nice.
So yeah, cool.
Enjoy. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. So hand to customer. I didn't get to take a picture because she was standing right there. Complete order. Okay, base pay $4, customer tip $3.50. Thank you. Right number $24 and $10.36 with Uber Eats. Doordash, skip the dishes, no shift until Friday. I just got 2 shifts for Friday. Where's that guy going with his bag? He parked over here, this black Honda Civic, and he's walking. That's crazy. He's going to Popeyes. Popeyes is over there. That's one way of saving gas. So let's see what's this one like. $10.50. Where's the kilometers? Come on, come on. Where's the kilometers? I'm not gonna accept it if there's no kilometers. I don't know if it's because the see it says 4G here. It's supposed to be LTE. Sometimes that's why I don't show the kilometers. You have to refresh it or restart your phone. Damn it. Uber Eats. I'll take that. Yeah, that's Uber Eats. Probably gonna take me out of Doordash zone. I think that guy's coming back with his $9.97 for 13 kilometers. No, thank you. Yeah, I think he's crossing the road now. This is Uber order for $6 and change, 4.1 kilometers. Hey, Uber Eats for Ashley. Okay, thank you. Okay. $3.51. I just came home, said I'm gonna grab something to eat, and I get this order. $18.50, 15.8 kilometers. That's 2 restaurants. It's been a slow evening, so I'll accept this. So when I accept this order, I thought it was one drop off, 2 orders from 2 different store, 2 different restaurant. I was wrong. There's 2 different name here. There's 2 different drop offs, not one. So I'm at Underdog. So let's go pick up that order first. Around the corner there, so I just have to walk around there. I'll probably do like what that guy did at Popeyes. Try to save on gas. Free beer. Yeah, Popeyes is right here. Right around the corner. Hey. Or Jonah. That's it. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Smoking your cigarette, smoking your cigarette. Oh, it smells like weed. 5 pint real life. I take a screenshot because sometimes the other customer said, "Where were you?" I saw you going somewhere else. Why are you going somewhere else? Let's take a picture of this. Alright. Low base pay, far distance, and it still send you far distance. Doesn't matter. $5.25 base pay, $5.50 tip. Thank you. So let's go see how far the second customer is.
Head west on Belcourt Bay toward
9
White
minutes.
Crescent, then turn right.
Sky House number 11. You guys watching Stranger Things? 11 L. Take a picture of that. Okay, let's see what's the final payout. Sometime Doordash hiding the tips. $11.75. Customer tip $6.50. $5.25 base pay. Here, $18.50. $18.50 shown on when you accept it. See, it's $22. Whoa, look at this one. $10 for 10.5 kilometers. I'll take it. Man. So I'm back to Underdog. It's my second pickup at this restaurant. This customer instruction leave at my door, cancel order. I don't know what's that mean. Maybe her food was waiting a long time, nobody picked it up, and she canceled the order. I have no idea. Oh, she tipped $5. Base pay $6. That's pretty good. This is an Uber Eats order. $11.09 for 8.4 kilometers. And it's at Popeyes. Hey, it's Uber Eats for Michael.
Nuggets, sir?
Yeah, sorry, waiting on wings.
How long more?
We have
7 minutes.
We'll watch a bit Canadian football. Just so wait here now. Yep. Thank you. Okay. That's it for the evening shift. Uber Eats was $27.46 and DoorDash is $57.50. That's give us $84.96. Not a great evening. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Support the channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.